Hey guys, so today I am going to quickly start some seeds super quick because I got kids coming home, so I want to get this done ultra fast. So I'm going to start some Coleus, lemongrass, is there any in there? And then possibly this silver sage. So I'm not going to waste any time talking. We're just going to get to planting. This is a rainbow mix. Both of those are. I didn't buy any specialty Coluses like I did last year. I I enjoyed them. They also kind of got lost in the mix of things. I just felt like I didn't want to spend extra on it when I do love the rainbow Colus mix, and I have had no issues with it. And you get a variety of colors. So yeah, just stuck with this. Plus, it's cheaper. Those specialty ones, um, are about $5, $6 a pack. So I didn't really want to pay that. I want to kind of save. I wanted to save a little bit of money and just do these because they're great. Did I not open that one? All right, let me see. I'm gonna overseed these a bit because I can divide them and I can propagate from them. Coleus propagates so easy, so I'm just gonna overseed, especially since these seeds have been open for who knows how long. If I opened them last year or the year before, let me see when they were packed. Okay, these were packed for 2023, so this has been open for a while. All right, let's finish up with these last one. That's what I love about Coleus is that you can easily propagate it from stem cuttings. So that to me is like the ultimate plant. You get way more out of it. Just like tomatoes, you can propagate them from stem cuttings, propagate the suckers, all of that. Okay, so this is super fluffy because it's grass. Let's pop a few in. We will overseed these two because we can divide them, and that we will do if we need to. I love lemongrass. I make lemongrass tea rings, and then I also save lemongrass for cooking. You can freeze it. Um, you can put it in a jar, dehydrate it, put it in something to store. Great, makes great tea. So many uses for lemongrass. Where's my tags? Okay, let's do COLE. Coleus, there, lemongrass, alrighty, and then, wait, that was Coleus, this is lemongrass. Oops, already messing up. All right, now let's do our silver sage. No, wait, I think this is a fuzzy sage too. Biennial. Okay, do 2 seeds in here, in each. 2. Silver sage. And we've got room for 2 more sets of seeds. So I'll pick something. Silver sage, silver sage. Let's see, we've got, ooh, I think I'm gonna do, well, I got marjoram. Got some options. So I'm trying to decide between dill tetra and marjoram. I really want to plant dill in my landscape this year for the butterflies. So let's do the dill tetra. Actually, I have 2 rows. So we'll do the dill and then we'll do the marjoram. Oops. I spilled some seeds, so we might have some dill popping up with some other things. There we go. Now we do use dill. I do save dill and use it in recipes, but it's not my favorite taste. So like pickles, okay, yeah, I love it in pickles. Um, but just other things like if it's too strong in what it's in, then I'm not interested. Dill tetra. And then we're gonna do marjoram. That's an herb that we dry and save as well. It's saying it's a perennial. Let me see. Oh, in zones 9 and 10. So not me. Not my zone. I guess every plant is a perennial somewhere. So double check your zones to see if the herbs you're planting are perennials. If they are, that means that they will come back year after year. All right, marjoram. Yahoo! Look at that. Super quick, super fast. I got this planted so quick. Now I'm gonna just zhuzh this up a bit. Zhuzh up the soil. Don't have to do too much. Just want to like a slight cover. Like the Coleus seeds are so small. I shouldn't even try. Just pressing these in. There you go. And then I have to go to my local garden center and get more of these cells. I like these cells a lot, and then get more of the trays. So I'm due for a visit here soon there. I know they like to see me coming because I come out with so much stuff, buy so much stuff. And then I also need to get rid of a lot of old stuff that I'm not planning to use. So that's a big task to tackle here because my garage is full of stuff. All right. Go down, Dill. All right, I have satisfied my need to zhuzh up the soil. So hopefully things will start to germinate quickly. And let's go put this on the shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Seed starting, I try to make it look super easy so that you know that you can do it yourself in your own home. So let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. And if you want to see more seed starting videos, I will have plenty more coming out because I've got so many more seeds to get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.